LinkedIn and profile for medical students. Absolutely the reason why I decided to conduct the session today. So either people don't have the account, or even if they have, they don't know what to do with that account, or there are people who just are not aware what LinkedIn is all about. So that is exactly the reason why today I am going to go in detail. If I have a LinkedIn account, what do I do with it? So what is networking and how does it help? And most importantly, networking can be done in person when you meet people over your seminars, CME, conferences. And similarly, on the professional world, we have a very good online portal now called as the LinkedIn. Moving to from networking to LinkedIn, all right? So what is LinkedIn and what LinkedIn is not? Let us cover these two very important aspects. Now, most important, especially for students, your LinkedIn profile is not your Facebook page. So you cannot update, your casual personal life information or the kind of post which you put up on your Facebook. All right, you cannot do that on the LinkedIn. So Facebook is your personal life, LinkedIn is your professional life. So you have to be very clear about those demarcations. Features and benefits of LinkedIn: it establishes your professional profile, helps you build a network, find and reconnect with colleagues and classmates. So like a very small thing, make sure you have a professional Gmail account. And believe me, in the last 10 years I have been dealing with physicians just like you, and you might be just wondering the kind of names of the Gmail account many of you have. Please understand, now you guys are reaching to a professional career approach. So whatever casual ones which you had, keep it to your other sort of communications, but at this point of time, professionally, only and only create a separate Gmail account, which I have just, for example, mentioned. If there's a physician called as Aryan Verma, so he might have Dr. Aryan V at Gmail, or an Aryan Verma, or Dr. A Verma. That looks more professional, okay? Instead of cool 41 and XYZ, those kind of things, avoid. So next up is headline, okay? Now, what does headline mean? So headline is the line below your name, okay? So the headlines again can be of varied nature. Now, depending on LinkedIn profile goals, if you are very clear about your goals, you can write a particular headline. Like the particular student, she's very clear, looking for a clinical research opportunity in America. As clear as that, that's her headline. Can be general and straightforward. I am an MBBS, EC FMGE certified, PGY1 internal medicine residence at XYZ hospital.